Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is unbox my new Outland 19-inch fire bowl. I purchased this off Amazon Canada. It was on sale for $117.99. I know Costco carries these. They're usually around $150 and they go on sale for $99.99. So let's take a look and see what's inside. And it looks like we have a little helper today, Oreo. So it comes with 3 bags of lava rocks or stones. We're going to put those in when we get the fire pit outside. And the nice thing about this, it's already set up. There's really very little you have to do. It comes with this metal ring. This is what they call a stabilizer ring for your propane tank. So it goes on the bottom of your propane tank. There's your fire pit itself. It comes with 10 feet of hose plus your regulator for the propane. Right there. It seems nice and well built. It's fairly heavy. It has a nice large base on it, so you're not going to have to worry about it tipping over. Alright, now that we're outside, we have the hose uncoiled and we're going to put the lava rocks in the fire pit. And this box came with 3 bags of lava rocks. We certainly don't need 3 bags in there. This is 2 bags. That's more than enough. We'll save the extra one for a spare. Alright, so what we're going to do is hook up our propane tank. And I should note, you want to make sure that this is in the off position. The arrow's pointing to the off. And we're going to turn the propane tank on. Make sure nothing's leaking. There. As well as the valve in the fire pit. And again, you want to have minimum of 1 meter between the tank and the fire pit. I will say one thing that I'm a little bit disappointed in with the Outland fire bowl is it actually doesn't have an automatic igniter. You actually have to use a barbecue lighter. So to turn it on, you're going to want to turn your propane tank on. So to turn the fire pit on, you're going to want your barbecue lighter. You're going to want to turn this to the on position. And it is lit. So this controls your flame level. This is low and high. So we'll try this at nighttime so you can actually see. Well, it's full flame, and that's as low as you can go on the flame. Kind of like it medium. So this was just a short video unboxing my new fire pit and how to set it up and light it. The next thing I'm going to actually be getting is you can actually get the covers from Amazon that cover it and have a little carrying strap for it. So I'm probably going to purchase one of those for it next time too. And make sure if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, post them below. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great summer.